Loose concrete must be removed before repairing a driveway crack because loose material prevents proper adhesion and reduces repair durability. When preparing the surface, start by prying out loose bits with a flathead screwdriver or cold chisel until you reach solid concrete. Work along the entire length and depth of the crack to reveal any hidden fragments. Use a stiff bristled brush and a hand broom to dislodge dust and small particles, then follow with a shop vacuum to remove remaining debris and ensure the repair material bonds to clean substrate. If the crack is deep or wide, undercut the edges slightly so the patch has a mechanical key and will not pop out under freeze and thaw cycles. Chamfering the edges by roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch gives the material a better grip. For hairline cracks, consider routing to a minimum width of 1/4 inch when using sealants, so the filler adheres evenly and cures properly. Always dry the area completely or use an epoxy-compatible primer if the concrete is damp, since moisture lowers bond strength for most patching compounds. Finally, follow the patch manufacturer cure times and protect the repair from traffic and water for the recommended period to achieve full strength. Common mistakes include leaving fine dust and sand in the crack, which prevents bonding, so sweep and vacuum thoroughly, and then wipe with a damp rag if the product instructions allow. People often do not remove all loose fragments, especially under the surface, and later the repair fails, so probe the crack edges with a screwdriver and pry until you feel solid concrete. Another issue is applying filler to a wet or contaminated crack, which weakens adhesion, so ensure the area is dry or use a compatible primer and avoid repairing immediately after rain. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare services related to driveway and exterior repairs. We also give contractors a place to connect with potential customers and join our discussion community to share tips and ask questions.